4 squared plus 4 squared is 16 plus 16 and equals to 32. 32 divided by 4 equals to 8. But this answer, of course, is not correct. Why? Because according to the word of operation, when we have multiplication or division, they have higher priority over addition or subtraction. So in our case, we have here the division. So we must do it first before the addition. We should not combine, let's say, these two numbers to do addition first just because it suits us, or we just do it from left to right. No. So multiplication and division, they have higher priority over addition and subtraction. So in this case, what we get? Let's do the exponents first. So we have 16 plus 16 divided by 4. So 16 divided by 4, because we need to do this first, the division over addition. 16 divided by 4 equals to 4, and we have 16 plus 4, which equals to 20. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Ciao, ciao!